Hello, welcome back to ICC Eureka YouTube channel. Back with me again, Mr Rifqi. Okay, so today we are going to learn about
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, first, second, third.
You hear that? You hear it? We are going to study it today. Okay, so before we start, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Okay, so today we are going to learn these two types of numbers. There are cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Alright, so this is the cardinal numbers. As you can see, you can find the cardinal numbers everywhere. Do you know why? Because it's used to define a quantity or to answer the question of how many and how much. And it always starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you see a red fruit on the right side. And I have a question for you. How many apples do you have? The right answer is I have 1 apple. Next one. So you see 3 boys there on the right side. And the question is, how many brothers do you have? The right answer is I have 3 brothers. Okay, so you have seen many boxes there. I have a question for you. The question is, how many boxes are there? Would you like to answer it? Alright, okay. So you got the answer right. The answer is, there are 5 boxes. As you do know that ordinal numbers are used to define a level, a position, and a ranking. Alright, let's take a look at ordinal numbers. The function of ordinal numbers is different than cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used to define a ranking, a position, and a level. And it always starts with first, second, and third. And then after third, it uses th, okay, such as fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. And how about for the teen numbers? It still uses th, okay, such as 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. And after 20th, when it comes to 21, 22, and 23, it changes to the beginning of ordinal numbers, such as 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and then you use 24th, 25th, 26th, 27, 28, 29, and 30th. How do you say these numbers in ordinal numbers? It's 101st. Alright, next question. How do you say these numbers in ordinal numbers? It's 111th. Alright. So you see the picture of the calendar on the left side. If I ask you, what date is National Children's Day in Indonesia? The answer will be, it's held on the 23rd of July. Alright, let's see the other calendar. It's August now. And my question is, when do we celebrate our Independence Day? The answer will be, it's 17th of August. Okay, so I have 2 mini quizzes of ordinal numbers. Let's try and check it out. So the question is, who wins the first, second, and the third on the place? The answer is, Yusuf is on the first place. Next, Namjoon is on the second place. Lastly, Leo is on the third place. The answer of the first question. Let's take a look at the next quiz, or the last quiz of ordinal numbers. Now look at this apartment building. Which floor do you live on? The answer is, I live on the 4th floor. Okay, so we have finished our learning today. And if you have any question, please comment below. Okay, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Okay.